How to install and use? Take out the main part and all accessories. The two sides of the instrument need to be installed on both sides of a EMS handle bracket and a magnetic face handle bracket. Note that the magnetic face handle bracket distinction between left and right unscrew the screws on the instrument first, then align the screw holes on the bracket with the screw holes on the instrument and tighten the screws to fix it. Install the handle, EMS handle, magnetic face instrument handle. There are white and gold handles. The same color handle is connected in the same row. Easy to distinguish and adjust the interface during operation. The handle connection port aligned with the instrument connection hole. Insert it and fasten the card buckle. Interface corresponds to both handles. According to the logo on the handle, corresponds to the logo on the interface. Thumb and forefinger, pinch and pull back. Align with the interface to insert and then let go. Install the negative plate cable. Open the clip on one end of the cable. Insert the negative plate into it. Press the clip down and then insert the other end of the cable into the connector of the instrument. Attention! Installation completed. Comes standard with 4 packs. Connect the corresponding patches according to the markings on the handle. Installation method of the patch. Remove the protective film from the end of the patch cable and stick it on the white terminal block. Smooth it and fix it. Open the connector's clamp with the arrow of the terminal card facing upwards, and then insert the pasted terminal card into the slot of the handle connector. 6 patches are operated on the same person's face. Use of patches in 3 different situations. Interface introduction, automatic mode and manual mode. Selection of gender, selection of age, selection of fat thickness, A, B of the magnetic vibration intensity is adjusted together, the recommended 20 to 80. The RF corresponds to A. The handle RF energy. Time 30 to 45 minutes recommended. Customers without exercise habits are recommended to start from M1 mode. Start button, pause button, manual mode, choose gender, choose age, choose fat thickness. Mode selection for F1, F2, F3. Enter the next interface. Adjust the magnetic vibration intensity, RF energy and time. Click here to toggle F12F to F3. Magnetic phase interface adjustment. Click into the number 1 interface to adjust the parameters of the FeedB number 1 connected patch. Smart mode and manual mode. Select gender, age, mode. When the patch of number 1 handle is installed correctly, the interface will show green color. If the patch is not installed correctly, the interface will show the icon of missing patch. And you need to install the patch of this handle correctly again. RF energy adjustment recommended 30 to 60.
EMS energy regulation. It is recommended to start from 10 to 20. Operation time 20 to 30 minutes. Tap start. The 3 patches of number 1 will start working. Tap this icon on the screen to switch to interface to adjustment. Adjust RF energy.
Between the number 1 interface and number 2 interface at any time. Adjust the energy at any time. The instrument has 2 sturdy emergency buttons corresponding to the number 1 interface and number 2 interface, which need to be given to the customer's hand to hold. Manual mode. When the 3 patches are connected correctly, the screen will be recognized. Each patch will have a parameter display. Tap the forehead patch and adjust the parameters at the bottom. Time is adjusted for all 3 patches together. Vault M1 to M4. Save the data after adjusting the parameters. Vault switch to the second interface to adjust the same way. Then you need to use the 3 patches. You only need to connect the patches of the number 1 handle and adjust the number 1, num1 interface. Click here to switch. Magnetic face operation. Place the negative plate on the client's back 15. Stick the patches on the treatment area. And smooth them to ensure that they are in close contact with the skin. Place the handle near the operation side to avoid dropping it and pulling it to bring discomfort to the client. The center axis of the patches on the face should be aligned with the corners of the mouth. Apply the required patches to the face in order. Hold the emergency stop handle in the customer's hand. During pause, remove the patch. Simultaneous use by 2 customers. Used patches are disposable. Don't use them afterward. Ray use of white patches. EMS handles operate for use. Choose 1 to 2 flat handles according to the size of the participant. Attach the handles to the back abdomen with straps. Tap Start. The operation is in progress. After the time has expired, after tapping pause, if it is not yet time. After the time has expired, after tapping pause, if it is not yet time, remove the handle and untie the straps. Replacing the fuse. When a circuit malfunction or abnormality occurs, the fuse will blow itself to cut off the current and protect the circuit safety and the instrument. When the fuse is blown, it needs to be replaced.